sticks were not enough. Now usually I have grown this in 3 different states and then had a lot of success with them. Sometimes I let it grow out the ground instead of in a pot, and it can grow like 10 feet and it just fruits like crazy. And right now, since this is not my house, this is my dad's house, and I don't know when I'm moving out, I decided to put everything I had in a pot, and it's growing. Like, I can't tell. I don't know if you could tell, but it's leaning from the stakes and it's going against the screen. And he's like, you're not about to tear up my screen with them vines. So now I have to figure out another way to get this to stand up without killing it. Because usually when it gets about this height, it will be bearing fruit. But it's not bearing fruit because it doesn't have any support. It needs the support. When it's on the ground, it has the support of the ground, so it just throws out the fruit. It's not even flowering right now. So we'll see what happens. And this is called, I'm going to give you a couple of names for it. It's Kiwano, or you can call it Jellymelon, or you can call it horn cucumber, and it's native to North Africa. And
West
God willing,
Africa.
when it fruits, I'm going to show you guys. So I just wanted to videotape before I go touching and manipulating it, and it decides to quit on me. If it decides to quit, or it flourishes. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching.